Hello students, I am Surabhi Gupta and today we are discussing class 8 chapter, that is playing with numbers. So let's start with the topic. First of all, for this chapter, you need to understand that how we have to write a number in generalized or expanded form. Okay? First we are doing generalized or expanded form. If a number is given to you and you have to write that number in generalized form or expanded form, what you have to do? Suppose a number is a two-digit number, A, B. 53 is a two-digit number, 63, 84, 99, any number you can take. I am taking the generalized form, that it can be any two-digit number, A, B. Now, you know this is the ones place and this is the tens place. You just have to look that which number is at which place. If B is at ones place, multiply B with 1. If A is at tens place, multiply A with 10 and add both these. This will be your expanded form or generalized form. Similarly, if a number is a three-digit number, then this is your ones place, this is your tens place, and this is your hundred place. Again, the number which is at ones place is multiplied with 1. The number which is at tens place is multiplied with 10. The number which is at hundred place is multiplied with 100. And you have to add them. This is the generalized or expanded form. Let's take an example. Suppose a number I am taking, first I will take a two-digit number, then a three-digit number. Suppose a number I am taking 36. Now, 6 is at ones place, 3 is at tens place. So to write it in an expanded or generalized form, what you have to do? Multiply 6 with 1. Multiply 3 with 10 and add both these. This is the expanded form. If you need to check that whether you have done it correct or not, then you can check also. How you have to check? 3 tens are 30 plus 6 ones are 6. 30 plus 6, 36. The number which is already given to you. So in this way you can check also. Suppose a three-digit number is given to you, 584. Right? 4 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place, and 5 is at hundred place. Multiply 4 with 1. 8 with 10, 5 with 100. Whatever number is at which place, you have to multiply only with that number. If it is at ones place, 1. A tens place, multiply with 10. 100 place, multiply with 100. How you have to check? 5 into 100, 500. Plus 8 into 10, 80 plus 4 into 1, 4, 584, which is your original number. Right? Now, suppose a number is given to you and you have to write in a usual form. Now the reverse of the question is given. That is, first usual form is given and you have to convert in expanded form. Now expanded form is given and you have to convert in usual form. Suppose a number is given, write in usual form. So at ones place 9 is the number, at tens place 9 is the number, at 100 place 8 is the number. Whatever number is at which place, just place them on that place only and you will get your usual form. Suppose a number is given C is at ones place, B is at tens place and A is at 100 place. So your number is ABC. Right? In this way you can solve. Now, sometimes the question in this chapter, playing with numbers, are given in the form of riddles. And you have to solve those riddles. Suppose a question is given in different steps. First step is think of a 2-digit number. Second step is multiply by 2. Third is add 15. Fourth is multiply by 3. Then add 33. Divide by 6. Subtract the number you thought of. The number you thought of. Thought of means the number which we have supposed. And the last step is you are left with 13. So here what this question tells us, that this question is in the form of a riddle. If we take any 2-digit number and do the following steps, then in the end we are left with a number which is equal to 13, and this will be applicable on all the 2 digits number, not only a single digit number. Suppose I am taking a 2-digit number, as we will take two 2-digit numbers separately and do all these steps, and then we see that whether the answer is same in both the numbers or not. Let's do it. First we think of a 2-digit number as 30. 30 is a 2-digit number. Multiply by 2. Multiply 30 by 2, 60. Add 15. 60 plus 15, 75. Multiply by 3. 75 multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 ऊपर carry. 3 7s are 21, 22. Add 33. 225 plus 33. 8, 5, 2. Divide by 6. Subtract the number you thought of. We thought of 30. Subtract 13. We are left with 13, which is the number they have already said. Take another 2-digit number. Take another 2-digit number. Let's take 52. Multiply with 2. Right. Add 15. Right. Multiply by 3. 65. Subtract the number you thought of, 30. So in this way again you are left with 30. So you can take multiple questions, multiple numbers and do this riddle. Right? In this form many riddles are available. You can solve as much as you can so that you can practice well. Right? I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.